This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
Yo, da, where the pan there, man? Is it over in America?
No, just there.
My family go there, be again, see how I pass out this in America.
No, it's going
Hello!
No, I just have to chill it out till the night comes on.
Easy, my man. I mean, KyngTaj in America. Every girl want me and that me and tell you that.
No, I'll tell you, better just be inside.
Actually, man, I'm going to America. I'm being chatty with the pan.
Yo, brother. Yeah, you know, some of the plan I go home right now. Yeah, man, I forgot to wait for the plumber for an hour, man. I said the party last night did wicked, brother. All of the girls, them just mash up my toilet, my youth. We can't even use my toilet, brother. The amount of drinking and things that go on last, like, sorry, see, I miss it. Yeah, brother, I'm saying, I can't wait to see you.
You say just bunks me.
You know, say you bunks me, brother.
Brother, you say just bunks me. You say just bunks me. Huh? You say just bunks me.
So call him. Why you know how you feel?
What you feel like?
Wait, how this look like the water commission, man?
Where you come from? You know, say uptown in the boy. There's nobody up here saying no.
You know my name? You know how
The business
you
boy,
know how
your son.
I mean, you're KyngTaj here. That me and tell you.
There's nobody up here saying
Stop me! Alright, don't move. Stay right there. No.
Stay right here, stop.
Yo, Biggs. Biggs. Police the man, you want to your brother come pull. Oh. Man, the police are violent, the man again, brother.
You never tell me no gun,
Man, you want to your dance, the man violent with a fan and I want your brother.
Listen, the little crap come bunks me, my youth, like him no know say uptown in there. I don't want to them youth there. That's how I talk about, speak of the devil. Watch him forward now. You know, say, look like all the boy bring security guard with him to the backside. Yeah.
Man, see, man, I chuck on my face, man, yo. Yeah, brother, so you me a tell you.
Where I say you?
Hey, boy, me a talk to Bob on the phone.
Of course, I you me a talk about on the phone. Brother, you see about this right, sir?
Yo, Biggs, chuck the man, my yo. Chuck the man. Biggs, chuck the man, my yo.
Yeah, you watch out my cousin.
I meet trouble your cousin, yes? Our, we are going to go.
No, that's sure. Say, I know
I mean, if I'm my yo.
no.
Might find the man, my you know I can't find the man, man. You don't know me a star already, dog. I just find the man, man.
Yeah, I did. See me.
Come in like the boy, no carriage.
You really make the man licking at your waist, man. You just being a fat for nothing in my yard. Man, that's when you want things done, you have to do it yourself in a little eat that boy.
I'm done here today, you know. Don't bother with the foolishness.
I'll be like the boy, no carriage. Not a word, my G. Nah, nigga, you doing that shit too hard, dog.
Sorry.
Come on to my face.
No,
come on to my face. Come on to my face.
To the hard glass. Yeah, you watch out the phone.
See them up. House of strength. Yeah. Everybody know. Say Coville a my place. Coville Garden a my place. Oh, you mean? See them up. step in the scheme. I feel touch it cook and me a fi show me support for the girl them pon the ball team. Gringos of them spot if you no one try no run in ya. Have the girl them made like a natira of the key. What? Check me pocket and it full up of money. So me take it pon me fi buy a food out a carina. Me too carrot and cabbage and a high grade spliff. So you know me a fi circle chungy liquor. I fi risky make them know what fi risky.